Welcome everyone to our online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today we discuss about the topic related to class 4 and 5, and today my topic is pronoun. Let's start. First of all comes to its definition. A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. We use pronoun to avoid the repeating of the noun in a sentence. We use pronoun to avoid the repeating of noun in sentences. Just like I give you example. For example, there are many examples of pronoun, just like he, she, it, we, you, they, etc. And how is avoid the repeating of the noun? Let's discuss it. First of all, I give like 3 examples here. Just like Mohan is a boy. Mohan studies in grade 5. Mohan studies very hard. These are 3 sentences, and in this sentence there is 3 nouns, same one, Mohan, Mohan, and Mohan. And to avoid repeating of this noun, we use pronoun. Just like first we have to write first name. Mohan is a boy, and Mohan is a boy, so you use he. He studies in grade 5. He studies very hard. So, to avoid the repeating of a noun, we use pronoun. Just like she, we use in girl or woman. It, we use in non-living things or place name. We use in, just like suppose 2 people, just like me and others, we use singly, and they use for plural subject. Now comes to it, kinds of noun. Kinds of pronoun. Generally, there are many kinds of pronoun, but we discuss about only 4 types. First one is personal pronoun. A pronoun which is used in the place of person, place, or thing is known as personal pronoun. Which we use in the place of people, place, or thing is called personal pronoun. And this personal pronoun is divided into 3 groups, that is first person, second person, and third person. It, as, he, persons. Just like first person. First person comes with I and we. Second person comes you, and third person it takes he, she, it, they. And in this personal pronoun, it is also divided into two groups according to its subject and object. Just like subject pronoun. In subject pronoun, it takes I, we, you, she, he, it, they. It is subject pronoun. Another is object pronoun. It comes me, us, you, her, him, it, them. Subject pronoun comes before the verb and object pronoun comes after the verb or preposition. Just like example. For example, I write here means it comes before the verb and in this it comes after the verb. Just an example, he studies in grade 5. Here studies is a verb and he is subject pronoun. So before the verb we use subject pronoun. Another is object pronoun. For example, I met him yesterday. In this, him is object pronoun and met is verb. So after verb we use object pronoun. Now comes to another pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. A pronoun which shows possession or ownership is known as possessive pronoun. Pronoun which shows possession or ownership is called possessive pronoun. Possession or ownership means that belonging thing, that belongs to which noun. For example, just like mine, mine, you, yours, his, her, their, our, etc. I write example in a sentence also, just like this is my book. Here my is possessive pronoun because it shows the belonging thing, that is book is mine. Now another pronoun is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun means a pronoun which ends with self or selves. It ends with self or selves. Just like example. For example, I do my work myself. Here myself is reflexive pronoun. Another example is like they do their work themselves. Here themselves is reflexive pronoun. Here another example also, just like himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, it is. Now comes to last, that is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means a pronoun which is used to introduce two clauses in a sentence. A pronoun which introduces two clauses in sentence is called relative pronoun. For example, just like that, who, which, whom, etc. I add example in a sentence also, just like this is a book which I bought yesterday. In this sentence, you are saying two clauses. That is, first is this is a book. This is known as main clause. And I bought yesterday is a relative clause. And in this, which joins these two clauses. So, which is a relative pronoun. In this way, we use that for things also, who for person, whom for also person. So, this much is for today. In the next class, we discuss about another topic. Thank you.